Hey everyone, this is Philip with A1 Duct Cleaning and Chimney Sweep. I got a nice video here for you. This is actually an air compression rod with an air compression tip. It is blowing all the dust loose. We got it hooked up to a high-powered air compressor. And as you can see, all the dust and debris is getting kicked up and it's being sucked out with the vacuum. We'll kind of basically run it so that it kicks up the dust, and then I'll stop every now and then. And what that's going to do is it kind of allows you to see all the dust going past, and then it shows you how the vacuum extracts all the dust out. This is a lot of construction dust, drywall dust. This is a fairly new office space, and I think they had some construction done maybe a couple years ago, and some employees were complaining about dust on the office, so they had us come out and clean it all out. This is actually not a lot of dust, but at the same time it can be very irritating. We've had some that have had far more dust in it. Anyhow, you can kind of see how we go on and off. It goes on and off, and you'll see a lot of dust getting kicked up. Typically, this whole duct that you're looking inside would actually be sealed off. So a lot of that dust actually gets extracted way quicker, but we had to obviously have it open so that we could film inside. So we're getting kind of close here. There are 4 little rubber tips connected to the tip of this air rod here, and you'll see a little thing on the end that looks kind of like a wiffle ball. It's actually a tool that we order from a company, and that it's called a duct guide ball. That allows it to not catch on sharp edges and stuff like that. So anyhow, we're getting pretty close. A lot of dust is getting kicked up. All that dust is getting sucked into that vacuum tip right there. We got it hooked up to a dual vacuum system, so it extracts everything really well. There's the tip right there, kind of lets you see what it looks like. There's the 4 little rubber hoses just blowing all over the place. So anyhow, give us a call if you're interested in air duct cleaning, and we got all our information right here. Thanks a lot. Glad we could help.